Defects brings you Dektite Original, an EPDM watertight flash designed to seal pipes, cables or vents going through roofs or walls. One of the advantages of Dektite Original, as every other Dex product, is that it only requires few tools for its installation: a marker, tinsmith scissors, self-taping screws, an electric screwdriver, and any neutral silicone or polyurethane sealer. The first step is to determine the diameter of the pipe that will be flashed. Proceed to cut the cone of the Dektite at the point where that diameter is marked. Once the cone has been cut, slide it down the pipe. You can apply water for a better sliding. Please don't use solvents or any other lubricating material. With your hands or with any soft tool, press the aluminum base in order to follow the profile of the roof surface. Pressing firmly the base against the surface, draw the silhouette with a marker. Now raise the Dektite and apply enough silicone inside the silhouette marked. Push again the flash against the surface and put the screws every 4 cm or so, ensuring the perfect sealing of its base. Check the installation and put a little extra sealer if necessary. If the pipe is overlapping, we recommend to apply sealer in the point where the cone touches the seam. You have completed the installation. You can now observe how the water flows around the Dektite Original, with not a drop of water leaking through. Dektite Original is a product easy to install, can be painted with acrylic painting, and holds a 20-year warranty. Do not hesitate to contact your nearest authorized distributor to source what you need. There is a product for all kinds of applications.